Welcome to Mrs. Wages Week. That's right, this whole week you might be seeing different recipes using Mrs. Wages products on different channels. And this was the brainstorm of Linda from Lou Creates. So, a bunch of channels are making multiple recipes using Mrs. Wages, and this will be my first time using Mrs. Wages for canning and making recipes. I had never done it before. And everybody told me, oh, it's delicious. You've got to try it. So I am. I've listed the channels in this collaboration down below, and I urge you to watch all of their Mrs. Wages videos and comment, because one random comment will be picked by Linda at Lou Creates, and they will be given a gift package provided by the Mrs. Wages company. So, watch the videos, learn, enjoy, and maybe you'll be the lucky winner. So I did a little research, and there really was a Mrs. Wages. It was in the 1950s, and hey, I was born in 1955. And she lived in Tupelo, Mississippi. I hope I'm saying that right. And someone went into the local drugstore and said they wanted a good pickling recipe, and they all said, all the people there said, well, you gotta try Mrs. Wages. He did, he loved it, and the company was born. So it has been going on for more than 70 years. That's right. Well, today I'm gonna make a fun recipe, and it's not a canning recipe, and it's not really a pickling recipe, but yet it uses Mrs. Wages Thai chili ready-made pickling mix, one step. But we aren't making pickles. We are going to make some delicious, spicy Thai meatballs. And it's so quick and so easy. Let me show you. So we are going to need, of course, one package of Thai chili ready-made pickling mix from Mrs. Wages, a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple, 1 cup of diced red pepper, a half a cup of sugar. We're going to need a tablespoon of flour and a tablespoon of olive oil. And then here it's said to have 32-ounce bag of frozen meatballs. Well, I bought the Sam's Club, so I got 6 pounds. So I'm trying to estimate, so hopefully that's enough meatballs. Okay, we're going to want our sugar in here. We're going to put in our Mrs. Wages Thai chili pickling spice. Okay, now we're going to stir this until all the sugar dissolves. Take some stir in. Okay, we need a half a cup of this out. There we go. We're going to put this in another bowl here, and we're going to stir in our 1 tablespoon of flour. There we go. Let's just add that in. And we're going to stir it up until it all gets nice and okay. Did I get out of all the little white spots? I think so. There we go. Now we're just going to add this back to the medium bowl. Stir it up. And onto our stovetop. Now we want to add our 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And our peppers. And we are just going to cook these up for 3-5 minutes, just until softened. Okay, now we're going to add our pineapple. Mix it in. And we're going to add Oh, all of our brine. Mix that in. Now we need to bring this up to a boil. Okay, we've got it on a low boil. We're going to add our meatballs. And they're still frozen. Yeah, I'm just going to stir them in a little bit. Wait till it returns to a low boil. We'll put it on medium heat. Okay, we just got a little low boil. And now we're going to cover it. There we go. Okay, so put it on medium heat. And we're just going to let it simmer for 25 minutes. Okay, time's up. I am just going to let it cook down just a little. Put the top off. I have it on less than medium, but boy, it's boiling. Almost time for dinner. We got some nice rice here. We got a little bok choy mixture with garlic. Let's top. Okay, we'll let it cool a minute, and then it's our taste test time. Taste test time. Still looks hot. This is really good. You got your pineapple, little tang. Get one more here. Very satisfying, very quick to prepare. So, next time you say, what's for dinner? And you got some frozen meatballs, think about having, that's right, spicy Thai meatballs made with Mrs. Wages ready-made pickling mix. It's so easy. And I hope you're enjoying this collab. There is a playlist, and I've got a link down below, and you're gonna have a lot of fun watching all the different videos this week. Enjoy! And if you're interested in more canning videos, watch this.